How to change password on Yahoo Mail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your password on Yahoo Mail, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to change your password on Yahoo Mail, open up the Yahoo Mail application and log into your account. Then tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Then just go to the option here known as manage accounts. Once you go to manage accounts, over here you'll find an option that says account info, so make sure to just tap the account info button over there. Then right over here you can find security. Tap on security option. Once you go to security here, you'll find the option to also change your password. So over here just wait, and here you can see password, and then just tap the change password option. All you have to do is just make sure to enter the new password you want to change to, tap on continue, and your password will get successfully changed. This way you can change the Yahoo Mail password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.